Hey guys, it's Ayana and I'm here with nobody, and today we're gonna do our first home tour and DIY challenge. I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get on with the video. And today let's start with this room. It's my dad actually sleep review, do his assignment, do his work here, and I hope this is only for him. And so it's raining, so this is my Lola's room. I hope it's so dark. You want a light effect? There you go. As you can see, my backpack is there, and his drawer, and of course I got it off the light. This is our room. As you can see, there's a door, and now there's a kitchen. This is the salas. So I'm gonna give the whole salas, as you can see. Yeah, this is the kitchen. And the backyard, it's raining today. I don't know what to do, but this is where we keep our shoes. As you can see, everything is here, the appliances and others. And now I'm gonna show you the bed thing, the laundry thing. So I thought, today we're not making DIY challenge. Well, I hope on Friday. Just comment down below just what you want us to do, or this is the clues where you can choose: A, slime; B, clothes design; C, just simple book. So just choose what you want, and I hope and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I still want to talk with you guys that this is the best idea. What can I do? My dad is coming, so I better make it fast at talking. So bye guys, hope you enjoy. Just comment down below, just click the subscribe button, like if you like this video, just put a thumbs up, good thumbs up. So as you can see, you enjoy everything that you see in this house. I guess this is so the thing, all scattered clothes everywhere. So bye guys, love you, hope you enjoy.